Coronavirus spreads mostly through tiny droplets of viral particles. These attach to surfaces, which people then touch with their hands, spreading the virus, which enters the body through the eyes, mouth, or nose. Preliminary research also suggests that those germs may survive for days when they attach themselves to countertops, handrails, and other hard surfaces. The virus can sometimes survive on indoor surfaces for more than 7 to 9 days. In general, COVID-19 will survive for longer time periods on non-porous, water-resistant surfaces, such as stainless steel and plastics, than porous surfaces, such as fabrics and tissues, according to the National Health Service UK on February 18, 2020. Viruses cannot multiply on their own, they must infect the cells of a living creature. Because they aren't actually living entities, using terms like live or survive to describe viruses outside the body can cause confusion, according to Dr. Anthony Fauci, the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Disease. Viruses outside the body can be better described as either infectious or identifiable, meaning the genetic material that was once inside the virus can be detected via a lab technique like polymerase chain reaction, or PCR. This is usually what advertisements for cleaning products are referring to when they say flu viruses can survive on surfaces for days on end. Viruses are actually non-living pieces of genetic code, DNA or RNA, covered in protein coats known as capsids. Flu viruses, such as COVID-19, and many cold viruses also have a viral envelope, meaning the capsid is covered by 2 layers of lipids similar to the cell membranes found on organisms. An intact virus is necessary for an infection, but this propensity reduces over time as its capsid and viral envelope begin to degrade. Once weakened, the virus is less able to attach to cells and spread its genetic material. The key is the degradation of the protective layer surrounding the virus.